Howdy, y'all, and welcome to yet another review from Brother Bryce. Today, I am going to be reviewing this shower drain hair catcher from Dagoodia, which is this is made in China, and it is something that is supposed to catch your hair in your shower. It is normally about $10 right now on Amazon. And let's go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so we have these little drain things here, and we're going to open up the box over here and slide it out. There's a little tray inside. And as you can see from the illustration, that you have the product and then it kind of telescopes out to different sizes to allow for the different size drains that you might have. And these are kind of a silicone material. There's three of them. They are identical. And let's take a look. So we have a really thin thing, and it has all these holes of, there's some that are square and there's some that are round. There are some that are rectangular inside the drain hole. Now I have something similar to this in my shower right now, but it's getting kind of old and it's starting to warp, but it's several years old. I trust that this will probably last a few years, a couple years at least, before it starts to kind of get a little stiff and start to maybe warp a little bit. But I like that it's telescopic, so you can make it for different sizes of drains. It goes down quite far, and you can make it different sizes. I think. Let's see if we can. Let's see if that's challenging. I've never done it with this one. Nope, I think it's just one size, huh? Yeah, it is just one. Either that size there for a flat drain or this size here for a deeper drain. And I will say, these kind of drain covers, they're pretty effective at catching a lot of the grease and hair that would go down in your drain. It is kind of gross to clean it out. I kind of wish that this had one of the, like the one that I have has a little handle inside here, and I like that for just, being able to reach down and grab it without sticking my finger all the way down into the greasy goop that gets down in there. These are really easy to clean. In fact, sometimes I'll even put mine in the top rack of the dishwasher. This one does not have little spikes on it. That's another feature that I think is really good for catching and slowing down hair from going into the drain is if it had some kind of texture on here, spikes or something. Little spiky things tend to help keep the hair from going down the drain. But this is probably going to work pretty good at keeping the majority of the hair and grime out of the drain. So these are pretty good, generally speaking. I just wish that it had more of a texture on it. I find that that catches a lot of the debris that would normally go down the drain. It's pretty smooth, and I'm due for a replacement. I've been having trouble finding the one that I really like. So we're gonna give this a try, and if this doesn't work as expected, I will update my review. But for now, it seems like it's pretty sturdy. It's pretty flexible, so it's probably gonna lay nice and flat in the shower, and I expect that it will catch lots and lots of hair in the trap here before it goes down the drain. This is way better than calling a plumber all the time. I also kind of recommend that in addition to this, everybody keep one of those little zip tie kind of drain cleaner gadgets. They are just a lifesaver. This is not the end all be all, but this is pretty good, I think. I think this will be pretty solid for keeping most of the hair out of the drain keeping most of it right here in a little basket where you can just kind of gather it up. A lot of times when I clean these out, I just use a little like sanitizing wipe of whatever kind. I tend to lean toward one particular brand. I'm trying not to say a brand name, but um, a little sanitizing wipe inside here will clean out most of the grease and the grime, and it'll pull all the hair off of the thing. So this is probably going to catch quite a bit of the debris, and I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm glad that Vine sent it to me. So thanks a lot for watching this review, and I hope that it's useful for you. Have a great day. Bye bye.